To honor academic achievers and bridge educational gaps within the indigenous community, the Damcherra-Khedacherra Regional Committee of the Bru Socio-Cultural Organisation successfully hosted its 13th Merit Award Cum Education Awareness Program 2026 today. The high-profile event held at the Paschim Rahumcherra S school premises in Damcherra, under North Tripura district.
BSCO ayu loto sal paha bacana sal paha bac
The primary objective of the annual conclave was to recognize and reward meritorious students from the Bru community who excelled in recent board and school examinations. Alongside the prize distribution, the Central Committee conducted a comprehensive academic counseling session to sensitize rural parents and student groups about the long-term benefits of higher education and professional skill development. Addressing the gathering, BSCO General Secretary Lal Bahadur Riang urged student groups to utilize modern educational setups while remaining rooted in their cultural heritage.
Chini BSCO Central Committee ni Chini Brom nang Vice President Chini Rabindra Riang get Chini AGS Assistant General Secretary Chini Chandramanik Riang get Chini Broithoni Secretary Chini Lily Riang get Central Committee le chong Krubri no uha apadoto get treketo Chinro region ni jang pasapasi Chini region get abo region kuepo chongno trek Nangkru Baipa BSM ni Dormonago region ni President Kidang Longkai region ni YBA ni President ni kamu President Brown dot of the care Bono Sonai mo tomorrow central ebabe to Mataki Keme mo tini chugro jaga phaye tini jebo chong thaha marikenu amatwa bari khakne matwa bot ha marikenu mo mominge chongasi pa loge sain to chong BS kurole YBA no po sayo BSM no po sayo tres সংগঠন তোর যত সংগঠন সায়ক মামিকে টিম বেস বেচং মাদার অর্গানাইজেশন হিমায় চং যত আরো সকে ইয়া পাখলাই দিনা
Reported by Sanjay Riang from Damcherra, Chini Khorang.